Hello and welcome. You're watching NDTV 24/7. I'm Kajari Sen, and our top story at this hour. In a huge relief to the Akhilesh government, the Supreme Court has said there is no need for either a CBI or a special investigative team probe into the Muzaffarnagar riots case. The court, however, came down very heavily on the Uttar Pradesh government, saying it failed to protect the rights of the people, and they blamed the state government for initial negligence. The top court said that there is no evidence to show that the UP government had prior information about the riots. Let's go over to Ketki Angre, who joins us on the phone line for more on this story. Ketki, a huge relief to the Akhilesh Yadav government, but it also comes with its criticisms.
Well, certainly, there is relief because there is no SIT investigation or CBI investigation that the Supreme Court has directed. So certainly, that will be the element of relief for the Akhilesh Yadav government of Uttar Pradesh, coming as it does just with days to go before the general election, because it has certainly sent a very different message. But at the same time, there are also censures that has been passed by the Supreme Court, clearly saying that there is a conscious effort and effective steps are needed to be taken by the state government, not just in the short term but also in the long term, to include efforts to change the social mindset, which includes education, sensitization of the police as well as gender equality. Now, interestingly, though the Supreme Court did say that there wasn't conclusive information to suggest that there was any advanced intelligence or intimation about the violence, had the center and the state both smelt it, this would not have happened. So clearly, there was, at some level, the Supreme Court does say that there was an intelligence failure, because as you know, the Mahapanchayat took place on the 7th of September in 2013, and this was effectively believed to be the trigger that led to the large-scale violence we saw, particularly in the two districts of Muzaffarnagar and Shamli. And at some point, the Supreme Court is specifically pointing to lack of that advanced intelligence being available to the state government to deal with it. Having said that, the state government, in fact, has submitted a detailed compliance report talking about the number of cases that have been filed as well. The state government also saying, the Supreme Court, also saying that the state has in some way failed to protect the fundamental rights of the people there.
Ketki, do stay with us. We have the bite of the lawyer who was representing in this case. Let's listen in to what he has to say.
अनएक्सेप्टेबल है कि वहां जाने पे कोई अरेस्ट नहीं करने दे रहा है या उनके लिए ह्यूमन चेन बना रहा है।
सर, ये पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड वायलेंस था, इस बारे में भी कोर्ट की टिप्पणी आई।
कोर्ट ने कहा है इन तमाम बातों को सीरियसली स्क्रूटनाइज जुडिशरी द्वारा किया जाना चाहिए और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को इस पे तत्परता से कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए।
सर, इन मुजफ्फरनगर वायलेंस द कोर्ट हैज ऑब्जर्व्ड मेनी थिंग्स टुडे एंड इट हैज बीन सम ऑर्डर इन ब्रीफ इफ यू कैन टेल अस व्हाट कोर्ट एग्जैक्टली सेड।
द कोर्ट एग्जैक्टली ट्राई टू इंडिकेट द इश्यूज व्हिच आर कंसर्निंग टू द रिहैबिलिटेशन and investigation. So therefore the court indicated that there is a laches, there is not proper coordination of a state government and intelligence unit. So there is a laches of a state government so far as the advance information is concerned, and there is a laches on the part of central government regarding the concrete input of intelligence to the state government.
Court has also said many things on the compensation issue. What was exactly that?
The court has stated that there is a compensation in addition to the compensation has been given by the state government. The court indicated and directed that the state government shall pay in 5 lakhs rupees in addition to what was given to the victims.
And court has said something on police sensitization necessity on.
The court stated that there must be there is a need of sensitization of the police, and the police must take appropriate action without there being any kind of excuse of caste, creed, religion, etc., etc.
Court has also said something that it's politically motivated violence.
The court stated there is a group which are blaming each and other regarding the incidents, but the court feel unhappy and indicate that there is a complete laches on the part of the state government regarding the arrest and accusation of concerned accused persons.
Court has also mentioned exact dates and the dateline of the incidents in which they have mentioned some Mahapanchayats also which were neglected by the...
The court indicated that there is a Mahapanchayat and there should be the complete input to the state government regarding this Mahapanchayat, but there is a failure of intelligence input by state government as well as by the central government.
anything else where the central government was found lacking in the run-up to the riots or after that?
No, there is court indicating only one thing, that their court is not apprised of the fact whether it is concrete and in advance information has been given to the state government or not by the central government. But the very important aspect of this entire litigation is the court has opened the option that if any person is aggrieved thereafter the disposal of this petition, he can file a application before the court.
Gaurav sir. Vicky.